saw as a workbench because it makes nice square things here. Right, we got two sides, one end. I like to use a square. I want everything to come out nice and square. Take my airline, put it in here. Now here's how I like to set them up. This table saw is supposed to be flat. This is your finished side. You want to take the finished side, put it down, and then look at these sides. Get the best side. Put it to the bottom. Got the best side right there. Now what we're going to do is put this, I like to put my hand on the back side, and I want to hold both boards down on the saw. That way I've got a nice square, flush fitting. Come up 1 inch. Come down 1 inch from the top. Then hit 2 more. Take the next one. Make sure you put the best side down. Push down on it, make sure you're good and square. Now you take your next piece, take the finished side, which is your rabbiting side, it needs to go down. Tap it together, 1 inch up. Now, down, make sure you're against it. Now, box ain't done. You want to put a square on it. See how it's a little bit out? Bump it down. Now, see that how nice and square that is? That's what you want before you proceed. That box is square. Now we're going to put staples on the side here that locks everything together. Now I'm going to put this one hooked up on my right thing there. I'm using a 7/16 crown staple, which is going to draw any bows and stuff out of that wood. Put this side. Now, I'm going to put these 3 boxes together, show you it don't take but a second to do this stuff. Get your good side. That's the piece we use for setting up. Take this. See how I get a nice square corner there. Good side down. Oh, what happened here? Setting up a box with a new student. Wasn't used to my powerful table saw. Huh, Tommy?
That's right.
Tommy's one of our commercial students up here. We're going through box building today. Now, the reason you want to put the rabbit side down, you see right here, you get a nice square finish right here. Okay? Now, set that to the side here. We got one more. Be patient. Don't shut me off. I ain't done yet. Get this in here. You're going to do bees, it's a must. Get you a good staple gun. I stopped driving nails 36 years ago. I don't even know which end of the hammer to use anymore. I could use it to play golf, I guess. See? Tap it in place. Now, it's not locked, so I want to double check, make sure that I'm square. So that one there is out a little bit. So I want to bring it over to where we're square. Get the side over here to fit. There we go. We're square. Now we can take this, close our box up. That's